Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our lesson today. Today we shall be dealing on curved surface area. Remember, we did close the surface area of a cylinder, where we said the formula is 2 by r squared plus by dh. We also did an open surface area of a cylinder. We said the formula is by r squared plus by dh. Today we shall be dealing on curved surface area. The formula for curved surface area is equals to, so curved surface area is equal to by dh. That's how we get the curved surface area, or 2 by rh, or by dh. So curved surface area is by dh. By dh means you get the circumference of the top of the circle, then multiplied by the height. So let us find this question. Find the curved surface area. Find the curved surface area of the figure below. Find the curved surface area of the figure below. Then this is the figure now. That is the figure. Then they have given us now the diameter 14 centimeter. Then height, let's say, is 10 centimeter. So we are told to find the curved surface area of this figure. Find the curved surface area of this figure below. How do we get the curved surface area of this figure? So the formula we say curved surface area is equals to by dh. So let us use the formula now. This is the diameter and this is the height now. So we get the circumference by d of this circle, then multiplied by the height, only that. So 22 over 7 by times diameter. Diameter, now the line is full. The line is full, is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter times h, height, which is 10 centimeter, by 7.1 by 7.2 centimeter. 22 times 2 is 44. 44 times 10, which is equals to 440 centimeter squared. That is how we get the curved surface area. It's very simple. The formula is by dh. To get the curved path, you get the circumference of the circular multiplied by the height, only that. So the formula is by dh, by 22 over 7, because the diameter is divisible by 7, multiplied by the diameter, which is 14 centimeter, multiplied by the height, by 7.1 by 7.2 centimeter. 22 times 2, 44. 44 times 10 is 440 centimeter squared. That's how we get the curve. So whenever they ask the curve now, there are some terms they use. There are some words or terms they use to confuse the learners. Now the examiners, they use some terms or words to confuse the learners. So the terms used, the terms they used in an exam, terms used to refer curve. Terms used to refer curved. So when you hear these terms, it means you find the curved surface area of the figure. So whenever they say curved, whenever they say pipe, surface area of a pipe. So whenever you are told find the surface area of a pipe, this is now curved surface area. You find out the curved. You find the curved. Whenever you are told now external area is curved. Whenever you are told the figure now, the both ends are open, both ends open, it's just like a pipe. So that one is also a curved surface area. Whenever they say now pipe, external area, both ends open, or they will tell you surface area of a sticker, surface area of a sticker, then that one is curved. The sticker means they stick a sticker on the cylinder. Then they will tell you find the, or a paper, they stick a paper on the container. Then they will tell you find the surface area of the paper which was sticked on the container. Or the container is like this. Then they use a sticker now. Then they, or a paper now, they stick a paper on the walls. Then they will tell you now find the surface area of the sticker, or find the surface area of the paper. So if you hear, that is now curved surface area. If you are told also walls painted, Surface area of walls painted. If you hear surface area of walls painted, that's also curved. So when you see these terms in an exam, those ones, the formula is pi dh. Pipe, external area, both ends open, surface area of a sticker or a paper, and then walls painted, that's the formula is pi dh. So you should know that. Let us now do another question here. You are told now a pillar let's say a pillar is 2 meter high. A pillar is 2 meter high. If it is diameter is 28 centimeter. If its diameter is 28 centimeter, what is the area of the curved surface? What is the area of the curved surface? What is the area of the curved surface? How do you get the area of the keyword here is curved? How do you get the area of the curved surface? The formula we say area curved surface area. Curved surface area is equals to by dh. By which is now 22 over 7 times diameter. The diameter they say is 28 centimeter. Times 28 centimeter times the height which is 2 centimeter. By 7 by 7 4. So 22 times 4 is 88. 88 times 2, you get 176 centimeter squared. That is how we get the curved surface area by dh. Diameter 28, height 2. You multiply, you get 176 centimeter squared. So let us see another one. The height of a pipe is 3 centimeter. The height of a pipe is 3 centimeter. If it is radius, it's 7 centimeter. Then they said what is its surface area? What is its surface area? Now, the pipe. The key word here is pipe. Remember we said pipe they curved the surface area. Whenever they mention a pipe or external area, both ends open, sticker, that is curved. So whenever you are told surface area of a pipe, so surface area of a pipe is equals to is curved now. Pi dh. By 22 over 7 times diameter now. Diameter we don't have. You are given the radius. The formula is asking diameter. How do you get the diameter? Diameter we say is 7 plus 7. Diameter is 14 now. Because radius is 7. Radius plus radius is equals to diameter. So times diameter 7 centimeter. No, sorry. Times diameter 14 centimeter. Times the height. Height is 3 times 3 centimeter. By 7 1. By 7 2 centimeter. 22 times 2 is 44. So 44 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter. Total of 2 carry 1. Total plus 113. 132 centimeter squared area. Surface area of a pipe. That's how we get the surface area of a pipe. So it is by dh. By 22 over 7 times diameter. Radius is 7, diameter you add 14 times height which is 3. Then you will get 132 centimeter squared. That is how we get. Now, we move to now when you are given, now for example, sometimes they will give you the area, then they will tell you to find the diameter. They will tell you to find the radius or the diameter. So let us find such a question. So you are told the area of curved surface of a cylinder, the area of a curved surface of a cylinder, the area of curved surface of a cylinder is 968. Is 968 centimeter. 968 centimeter squared. And and height is 22, and height is height is 22 centimeter, and height is 22 centimeter. What is the diameter of the cylinder? What is the diameter? What is the diameter? What is the diameter of the cylinder? What is the diameter of the cylinder? What's the diameter of the cylinder? Remember now they're asking the diameter. You are given the total surface area, curved surface area, and the height. So whenever you are asked, I say whenever you are given, you use the formula. So formula now, curved surface area is equals to by dh. We use the formula to find the diameter now. By, which is 22 over 7, times diameter, we don't know, is what they're asking. Diameter times height is 22 centimeter is equal to now total 968 centimeter squared. Now this 7 cannot be divided by this 22. What do? We multiply the numerators. 22 times d times 22. So we multiply now 22 times 22. So 484. So times d, now you get 484. D diameter alpha 7, where is 7 from? Is here, denominator, is equal to, now we have multiplied this one, and this one, all of them. Then is equal to now 968 centimeter squared. What do we do now? We multiply the denominator 7 on both sides now. Times 7, cancel, they go together. So 484d is equal to 968 centimeter squared times 7. You divide both sides by this. Alpha 484, cancel, they go together. D diameter is equal to, now we divide now by 242 by 2 is 484. So by 242 1 by 242, it goes 2 times. 242 times 2, 484. So it goes now 1, it goes 2. 7 times 2, you will get 14 centimeter. That is how we get. So when we divide, you'll get 14 centimeter. So when you substitute now, you will get the answer same. So you say 22 over 7 times diameter 14 times height 22 by 7 1 by 7 2. You get 484 times 2 now 8. 6 carry 1, 8 plus 1, 968. So it brings now the answer. So our diameter is 14 centimeter. I said whenever you are given the curved surface area, the total, to find the diameter, you use the formula by dh. By 22 over 7 times diameter, which is d, we don't know, times 22. 22 times d times 22, you will get 484d. Alpha this 7 is equals to total area times 7 both sides, they go together. 484d is equals to 968 times 7. Alpha 484, cancel, they go together. D diameter is equals to by 481 is 1, it goes now 2 times, now 7 times 2 is 14. That's how we get the diameter. Let us find do another example like this. So for example, let's say the height here is 10 centimeter. Then the curved surface area now, the curved surface is equals to, let's say, is 220 centimeter squared. Then the radius is 7, diameter is 7 centimeter. That's the diameter. Sorry, they are asking the diameter. Let us find the diameter. For example, you're told find the diameter now. Find the diameter now. How do we get this diameter? It is curved. Once curved is mentioned, you use the formula. Curved surface area is equals to by dh. Let us use the formula. By 22 over 7 times diameter we don't know times h, which is 10 centimeter here, is equal to total 220 centimeter squared. So this 7 cannot be divided by 10. We multiply the numerators. 22 times d times 10, you will get 220d over the denominator 7 is equal to now 220d centimeter is equals to now 220 centimeter squared. What do we do now? We multiply this 7 on both sides. Times 7 times 7 cancel. 220d centimeter is equals to 220 centimeter squared times 7. To get the d, you divide both sides by 220 over 220. Cancel. So what's remain here is d centimeter is equals to by 220 by 220. They go together. Centimeter, they go together. Centimeter moja remain 1 centimeter will remain. Cancel by centimeter centimeter. So 7 diameter is 7 centimeter now. So the diameter d is equals to 7 centimeter. The diameter is 7 centimeter. So it is very simple. You only use the formula by dh. By 22 over 7 times diameter we don't know d times height, which is 10. 22 times d times 10, because 7 is not divisible by 10, you get 220. D is equals to 220 centimeter squared total area times 7 times 7 cancel. 220 d is equals to 220. So times 7 times 7, 220 times 7, over 220 over 220 cancelled. Diameter is equals to by 221 by 221, diameter is 7. Radius, if they ask, divide by 2 is 3.5. That's how we find. Now we go to we are through with curved surface area. We go to now half cylindrical solid. We go to now half cylindrical solid. Half cylindrical solid. Half cylindrical solid. We go to now half cylindrical solid. Let us sketch. Let us sketch. Something like that I've sketched is a half cylindrical solid. It's a half cylindrical solid. Now, here you are given, let's say 14 centimeter, and here you are given 10 centimeter. Then you are told find the solid, the surface area of the solid below. So how do we get now? Whenever you are told half cylindrical solid or half solid, so the formula is now surface area of half solid is equal to now, the formula is by r squared plus a half by dh plus dh. That's how we get half solid. It's a cylinder. Then the cylinder has been divided now into two parts now. So they want now the half solid, the solid now. So if you are told find the surface area of the solid below, the formula is by r squared plus a half by dh plus dh now. By 22 over 7 times r. Now look here. This line is equal to the diameter of this one. So this one is diameter. They are same. These two lines are same. So here is 14. Here will be 14 centimeter. So they are same. So this will be the diameter now. Times now r by r, which is 7 centimeter now, squared now 7 centimeter, plus a half, just follow the formula, times by 22 over 7, times diameter is 14 centimeter, times h height, the height is 10, times 10 centimeter, plus d means diameter, which is 14 centimeter, times height, which is 10 centimeter, which is so it's very common in examination. So it's a matter of cramming the formula. So let us see, by 7 by 7 22 times 7, you will get 154 centimeter squared. By 2 by 2 11 by 7 by 7 2 centimeter 11 times 2 times 10, you will get 220 centimeter squared. This one now, 14 times 10. So what do we do now? We add the two, we add all of them. So let us add now. 154 centimeter squared plus 220 centimeter squared plus 140 centimeter squared. We add now. Let us add 154 plus 220, that is 4, 7, 374. 374 plus 140, 4, 11 carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So you will get 14 centimeter squared. You will get 514 centimeter squared. So 154 plus 220, that is 4, 7, 370 plus 140, 4, 11 carry 1, 4 plus 1, 514 centimeter squared. That is how we get. So formula for getting half solid is by r squared plus a half by dh plus dh by 22 over 7 times now radius is diameter times radius 7 squared times 7. We have killed the first part of the formula. So by 7 by 7, 154. Let us go proceed to the second part of the formula. Plus a half by 22 over 7. D diameter 14, h height is 10. Then by 2 and by 2 and by 7, you would get by times 22 times 10 to 20. The second part of the formula we have killed. The third part now, plus d diameter 14, h times 10, which is 140 centimeter squared. Then you add all of these three, you will get 514 centimeter squared. So for today, we shall stop it there. I wish you all the best.